Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Apple. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 18th of October, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of October 11th, 2024, our system has rated Apple as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.71. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock has experienced a gain of 3.27%. This equates to an average return of 0.55% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned in the upper part of a weak rising trend in the short term. This situation typically presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back toward the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $236.90 would indicate a stronger rate of increase. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 5.46% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between negative 2.52% and positive 6.32%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of around 27.87% over the next year, with a potential return varying between 4.62% and 35.66%. This equates to a price range between $245.85 and $318.80 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Apple features the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for Apple Stock Price After Friday Trading. On the last trading day, which was Friday, the 18th of October, 2024, the Apple stock price increased by 1.23%, rising from $232.15 to $235. During that same day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 0.92%, with a low of $234.02 and a high of $236.18. The stock price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and has appreciated by 3.62% over the past 2 weeks. There was an increase in trading volume on the last day, accompanied by the rise in price, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 13 million more shares were traded than the day before, with a total of 45 million shares bought and sold for approximately $10.68 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the stock was $237.49, while the lowest price was $164.08. Currently, the price is 1.05%, or $2.49, below the 52-week high of $237.49, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Recent news highlights significant momentum for Apple Inc. as the demand for the iPhone 16 surges in China. Initial sales reports indicate a 20% increase over its predecessor within the first 3 weeks of launch, which directly impacts Apple's short-term stock performance, evidenced by a rise of 1.2%, pushing shares close to record highs at $234.99. Analysts suggest that this strong performance could signify a broader recovery in the key Chinese market, further fueling investor confidence. Moreover, analysts project a growth renaissance for Apple, driven by not only the iPhone, but also advancements in artificial intelligence, which could pave the way for sustainable long-term growth. Collectively, These developments position Apple as a potentially unstoppable force in the tech sector, raising expectations that it could join the elite $1 trillion club by the year 2035, alongside giants like Nvidia and Alphabet. As Apple continues to innovate and capture market demand, both short-term gains from immediate sales and long-term growth prospects are likely to elevate the stock price even further, making it a key focus for investors looking ahead. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 15th of October, 2024, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned Apple Inc. an overweight rating with a hold action. On Monday, the 14th of October, 2024, JP Morgan also rated Apple Inc. as overweight with a hold action. On Friday, the 11th of October, 2024, Evercore ISI awarded Apple Inc. an outperform rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 8th of October, 2024, KeyBank rated Apple Inc. as neutral with an upgrade action. On Monday, the 7th of October, 2024, Jefferies gave Apple Inc. a hold rating with a downgrade action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Apple stock. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Apple. The Apple stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between the two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. Should there be any downward corrections, support is anticipated at the levels of $231.52 and $225.92. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 6th of August, 2024, and since then, the stock has experienced a rise of 13.4%. Further increases are expected until a new top pivot is identified. Notably, volume is rising in tandem with the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical signal. However, some negative signals have also emerged, potentially influencing short-term developments. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The stock experienced a golden star signal on Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, in the short-term chart. A golden star signal occurs when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and the price line converge in a specific and rare combination. This unique setup is often followed by prolonged and substantial gains for the stock in question. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 53 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 9 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 11 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 22 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 11 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 118 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 106 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Apple finds support from accumulated volume at $228.20. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. Generally, the stock exhibits controlled movements, and due to its good liquidity, the risk associated with this stock is considered very low. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $2.16 between its high and low, which is approximately 0.92%. For the past week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 1.38%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Apple, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This is a relatively standard PE ratio, often observed in companies with long histories or predictable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 31st of October, 2024. Analysts are projecting consensus estimates at $1.55. It's crucial to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this case, you might want to enter a position and use volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, Apple encounters its first support level at $228.20. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from various analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Chris Kondo, who bought and sold 17,989 shares or options in the company. From the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 25.562. Overall, insiders purchased 2,071,734 shares and sold 3,595,722 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $225.74, reflecting a decrease of 3.94%. This stock exhibits very low daily fluctuations, which translates to minimal risk. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 52 days ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current price may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for Apple stock to perform well in the near future. Consequently, we have revised our analysis from a hold or accumulate recommendation to a buy candidate. After examining the volatility and trading patterns from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 21st of October, we anticipate Apple will open approximately 6 cents higher and begin trading at $235.07. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision on StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.